Hello students, welcome again to the class of English Literature. Now in this session we are again going to summarize our very famous comedy written by William Shakespeare, As You Like It. In the previous two videos we have summarized its first act with scene first, second and third, and act seconds scene first. Now in this video we are going to discuss or study the summary of act second scene second. Now summary act second scene second. Back at court, Duke Frederick is enraged. Enraged means furious, Crodit, to discover the disappearances of Celia, Rosalind, and the court jester Touchstone. He cannot believe that the three could leave court without anyone's notice. One attending lord reports that Celia's gentlewoman overheard Celia and Rosalind complimenting Orlando. Overheard means छिप कर सुनना. Compliment means प्रशंसा करते हुए, complimenting. And she speculates means अनुमान लगाना, that wherever the women are, Orlando is likely with them. Frederick seizes on this information and commands that the Oliver be recruited. Recruit means नियुक्त करना, to find his brother Orlando, because it is very much possible that the Celia and Rosalind are with Oliver's younger brother Orlando. Now act second scene third. Orlando returns to his former home after winning that wrestling match, where the servant Adam greets him. News of the young man's victory over the wrestler Charles precedes him. Precede का मतलब उससे पहले घर पर पहुंचना, उससे पहले आना. And Adam worries that Orlando's strength and bravery will be the keys to his downfall. Downfall means patan. Here, Adam says that the Orlando's strength and bravery will be the cause of Orlando's downfall. Adam begs. Beg means विनती करना. Orlando not to enter Oliver's house. Oliver, he reports, having learned of Orlando's triumph. Triumph means Vijay, Jeet, and he has plans to burn the place where Orlando sleeps in hopes of destroying Orlando with it. Abhor it, Adam warns. Fear it, do not enter it. Orlando wonders about his fate, speculating that without a home he may be destined to eke out. Eke out means निर्वाह करना, कि how he will eke out as a living as a common highway robber without money. Adam suggests that the two of them take to the road with his modest life's saving. Here, Adam produces his all savings. Touched by Adam's constant service, Orlando agrees. Now, Act second, scene fourth. Rosalind, Celia, and Touchstone arrive safe but exhausted. Exhausted means थके हुए, tired. In the forest of Arden, the three sit down to rest, but before long they are interrupted by two shepherds, young Corin and old Silvius. The shepherds are so wrapped up in their conversation, wrapped up means so busy in their conversation about Silvius' hopeless love and devotion to the shepherdess Phoebe, that they do not notice the three travelers. Corin, who claims to have loved 1,000 times, tries to advise Silvius, but the young man, maintaining that his companion could not possibly understand the depth of his feelings, wanders off. Rosalind, Celia, and Touchstone approach Corin and ask where they might find a place to rest. When Corin admits that his master's modest holdings means साधारण सी जो संपत्ति है उसके मालिक की आर अप फॉर सेल, वो बिक्री के लिए उपलब्ध हैं. रोजलिंड एंड सीलिया डिसाइड टू बाई द प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ एक्ट सेकंड, सीन फिफ्थ. As Amines strolls through the forest of Arden, stroll means चहलकदमी करना, with Jax in tow, tow means खींच कर ले जाना. He sings a song inviting his listeners to lie with him under the greenwood tree where there are no enemies but winter and rough weather. Jax begs him to continue, but Amines hesitates, claiming that the song will only make Jax melancholy. The warning does not deter Jax. Deter means डरा कर रोकना. Who proudly claims that he can suck means चूसना, melancholy out of a song as a weasel sucks eggs. Weasel means नेवला. While the other lords in attendance prepare for Duke Senior's meal, Amines leads them in finishing the song. Jax follows with a verse set to the same tune which he himself wrote in it. In it he chides. Chides means डांटना या फटकारना. Those foolish enough to leave their wealth and leisure for life in the forest. Amines leaves to summon the Duke to dinner. Now, Act second, Scene sixth. Orlando and Adam enter the forest of Arden. Adam is exhausted from travel and claims that he will soon die from hunger. Orlando assures his loyal servant, assure means भरोसा दिलाना, that he will find him food. Before he sets off to hunt, Orlando fears leaving Adam lying in the bleak air and carries him off to shelter. Now Act second, Scene seventh. Duke Senior returns to camp to find that Jax has disappeared. When a lord reports that Jax has last been seen in good spirits, the Duke worries that happiness in one who is typically so miserable means हमेशा दुखी रहने वाला, portends पोर्टेंट मीन्स पूर्व आभास होना. डिस्कॉर्ड मीन्स गड़बड़ी in the universe. Here, Duke Senior, when he doesn't found Jax anywhere, he says, someone says that he has last been seen in good spirits. Then Duke worries that happiness in an person who is typically so miserable, and it is not good because this is a sign of some discord in the universe. Just after the Duke commands the Lord to find Jax, Jax appears. He is uncharacteristically merry, merry means khush, and explains that while wandering through the forest, he met a fool. He repeats the fool's witty observations about Lady Fortune and proclaim means घोषणा करना, that he himself would like to be a fool. In this position, Jack's reason means तर्क देना, he would be able to speak his mind freely, thereby cleansing the foul body of the infected world, and the medicine of his criticism. The Duke laments means दुख प्रकट करना, the sin of chiding sin, and reminds Jax that he himself is guilty of many of the evils he would inevitably criticize in others. Their playful argument is interrupted when Orlando barges means जबरदस्ती घुसना onto the scene, drawing his sword means talwar, and demanding food. The Duke asks whether Orlando's rudeness means abhadrata, is a function of distress means nirasa, or bad breeding. Bad breeding means bad upbringing means palan posan. Once Orlando has regained his composure, invites him to partake means भाग लेना of the banquet means भोजन सभा. Orlando goes off to fetch means जाकर लाना. Orlando goes off to fetch Adam. Duke Senior observes that he and his men are far from alone in their unhappiness. There is much strife in the world. Jax replies that the world is a stage. Here, this line, the world is a stage and all the men and women merely players, are the Shakespeare's very famous quotation. All human pass through the stages of infancy, childhood, and adulthood. They experience love and seek honor, but all eventually succumb to the debility of old age and mere oblivion. Orlando returns with Adam, and all begin to eat. The Duke soon realizes that Orlando is the son of Sir Rowland, the Duke's old friend, and heartily welcomes the young man. Okay, this was the act second. Now, in the next video, we will start with act third. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.